you excited to read this book?
Yes.
Yes, I am.
I am excited.
You're excited?
Yes.
And what they?
Susie, sheep, Papa,
They both are piggy?
Piggy.
Mm,
No, Papa egg, Susie, sheep.
And this is Susie sheep and the Papa piggy. And why are you so excited?
I excited.
I'm excited. I love this book.
I love this book.
I love this book. Okay, now we are going to start. Let's turn it. Oh, where is a piggy? I think piggy is in the restaurant.
No.
So where is it?
Office.
Hospital. Where is it?
Hospital.
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 That's really nice. Once more. Hospital.
Hospital.
The piggy in the hospital?
Yes.
Yes. The piggy in the hospital. Keep surprise. Where is this piggy? Where we have a piggy? A piggy in the hospital.
Piggy.
We will do later on. We will do this later on. Okay, where is the doctor? Where is the doctor, uncle?
Here.
Here is the doctor, uncle.
Where is uncle?
Where is the doctor, piggy?
Uncle Piggy.
Here is the doctor, piggy.
This Uncle Piggy.
Where is the doctor, piggy?
This
Here is a.
here is the Dr. Piggy.
Yeah, the Dr. Piggy. What Dr. Piggy is doing? Who is? Can you see? Who is the back of? The Susie, the nurse piggy. Who is this?
Nurse Piggy.
The nurse piggy is coming
I
here.
want to name.
And why the nurse piggy is coming? And what the nurse piggy bringing?
Post doctor.
Yes, the box, the doctor, the first aid box.
Yes.
Medicine
Yes.
box. Which box is
It's
it?
empty.
Oopsie, there is no any medicine. Okay, I'm putting a medicine. Which box is it?
Doctor Medicine.
Medicine box. Which box is it? What nurse piggy is doing? Checking up. What checking? Temperature. Yes, checking up.
Head.
Checking a head. A dog baby piggy have a temperature.
Yes.
Have a fever. What happened with the Dr. Piggy? Okay,
This
yes.
hot.
Oh, darn it. This is a hot temperature.
Yes.
Okay. Why it's so hot? Because the piggy have a fever.
Fever.
Why the temperature is hot?
No cold here. It's hot today.
Yeah, this is so hot. Okay, why it's become hot? Because
Hot hat.
yes, he have a fever or no?
Fever.
Then the baby piggy have a
Fever.
baby piggy have a fever.
Baby bigger fever.
Oh no, the baby piggy have a fever, and what the nurse piggy will give?
Medicine.
Yes, and medicine in the. And what is it?
Bandage.
Yes, it's a bandage. And what baby piggy is getting?
Medicine.
Oh, it's getting medicine. Yeah. What he did? Yucky.
Aha!
It's spit
Idea.
idea. What do you have an idea?
The baby toy.
No. He will not. He will come into the next turn. Okay. Wait.
Yes.
What baby piggy do? What he did?
Yucky.
Yucky. Yes, he spit out the medicine.
Yes.
What he do?
Out the medicine.
Spit out. Yucky.
Out. Yucky.
Spit out the medicine. It's feel yucky. Okay. Now, did we turn this? Can we turn the page?
No, because they are last
It
one.
will come on the next page. No? It will come.
Aha.
It will come on the next page. The Dr. Piggy is going back. Are you excited to turn next?
Yes.
Yes, I am. Auntie is so excited. Are you excited?
Auntie is so excited.
And you are excited or not?
Excited.
The Baba is excited or you are excited?
I'm excited.
Okay. What are you feeling?
I'm excited.
Oh, let's turn it if you are excited. Wow. Where is it?
Baby became met twice.
In the hospital?
No.
So, where is it?
In the house play.
Yeah, in the playhouse. And what is it doing?
They'll mess the house toy.
Oh,
Look at this
the
Peppa
baby.
toy.
Okay. This is also a toy. Let's excite. Waiting. We will open it. Let's wait for it. Okay. And the baby piggy mess everything.
Mess everything.
Is playing with everything.
Oh, call here.
Let's check the baby piggy. Baby piggy will check. Here we have a baby piggy.
Then Papa.
Here in the box. Where is the baby piggy? Here. In the box. Where baby pig is going?
Going up.
Going up, climbing up.
Going up and
Where it's climbing? Wait. It's climbing on the ladder or it's climbing?
this baby Luma dinosaur के पापा एक छुपे का नाइट baby dinosaur को blanket baby dinosaur toy.
The dinosaur is here.
Yes.
Let's we check who is sleeping on the bed. Are you
Eyes
excited?
open, eyes open.
Do you want to open this?
Yes, eyes open, eyes open.
The eyes open and close and something or someone is sleeping over here, I think.
Yes, it's set.
Can you guess what is happening here?
No, she said is sleeping.
Yeah, I think someone is sleeping by wrap a dino blanket.
Blanket.
Yes. Okay, where the baby pig is climbing? Climbing on the stair or climbing on the ladder?
Climbing on a ladder.
Yeah, the baby pig is climbing on the ladder. And why it's going to the climbing on the bed? To sleep or to check someone?
Check.
Yeah, the baby piggy.
Baby.
Go climbing on the ladder.
Okay, good.
Oh, it's got hurt?
Yes.
Oh, it's a messy room. Oh, let's arrange the room.
Yes.
Let's arrange the toys.
Yes.
Okay.
Look at them.
The baby pig is going to jump in.
No, it's stuck.
It's stuck? It's not stuck. Wait. The baby
It's
pig
stuck.
is going up. It's my turn first, okay? The baby piggy climbing on the ladder and is checking who is in the bed. Now it's your turn.
A baby could climb on a ladder. You can second.
Checking the bed. Who is sleeping under the bed? Who is sleeping?
This
A crocodile.
No, this dinosaur.
Oh, yes, it's a dinosaur. Let's check it. The dinosaur. Who's sleeping in the bed?
Dinosaur.
Dinosaur. What dinosaur is doing? Dinosaur is sleeping or dinosaur is playing here?
Dinosaur wake up.
Wake up now. It's wake up. It was sleeping. What was dinosaur doing? What was dinosaur was doing? What?
Dinosaur wake up.
And now it's wake up. Now what it's what doing?
Dinosaur open there.
Dinosaur was sleeping or were playing on the bed?
Playing a play.
Oh, it was not playing on the bed. It was sleeping on the bed.
Sleeping on the
Yeah,
bed.
look at it. It's sleeping on the bed.
Look.
Okay, wanna turn it?
Yeah, took it down.
Oh no! The dinosaur come down
Look
from the bed.
halfway bowl of Papa egg out.
Where it's going?
Apple
The dinosaur going to the up.
Yeah, the dinosaur.
Going to the up.
It fall down.
Oh, it's not going to the fall down.
Yeah, the
Oh
fall
no! That got hurt. Oopsie.
Let's
It
go.
got hurt. Let's turn it. Let's be completed.
Let's go around it.
Yeah. Are you excited to turn it?
Yes. I am excited to try it.
Okay, let's start it. Who
This
is
Mama.
here? The mommy piggy, what we have? The mommy piggy, the baby piggy. Who is reading a
Daddy
newspaper?
Pig.
Let's check it. Who is reading a newspaper?
Hey, Papa. Daddy Pig. Sleep.
Daddy piggy? Let's check it.
I got sleeping.
Let's
I
check it. Let's turn it.
Oh, this close.
The granny pig is sleeping.
No, not Nanny. This Papa.
Daddy.
Egg.
Oh, it's a daddy. Yes, it's a daddy. Who is sleeping?
Papa Egg.
Daddy pig is sleeping.
Stop.
Yes.
This.
Yes.
Why?
It's daddy pig.
This Daddy Pig. Okay, why? E-S-I-D
S
S-D-A-B
D D D D D
T-N-T-T
Y
Y
Daddy
Daddy Y
pig P I G
B-I-E-I Daddy Pig.
Yes, so daddy pig is sleeping. Oh, daddy piggy was doing a cheating, was not reading a newspaper.
Yes.
No reading, it was sleeping. And also, what eating up? What it was eating?
Me.
What it was eating? The daddy piggy is eating burger. It's eating a burger. It was not reading a newspaper.
Oh.
Daddy baby, you are so naughty. You want to make a burger? And the mama piggy and the baby piggy were, what they were feeling? They were feeling surprised or they were feeling sad? When they saw the daddy piggy sleeping, what they feel? What they feel?
Happy.
They were feeling surprised. What they were feeling?
Apple.
Happy or surprised? Happy or surprised? Let's check it. Happy or
Surprise.
surprised? The daddy piggy is not reading a newspaper. It's just sleeping and having a burger. Eating a burger.
Eating apple.
Let's turn it. We're turning it.
Yes.
Yes, turn it. Where are they? Where are the
This
fish?
Nanny Pig.
And
Sauce Piggy. Pepper Egg. And head closer. Stuck a head flies.
someone is stuck here?
Yes.
Oh, someone is stuck back the.
Yes.
Where is back? This side stuck side the fridge or back the fridge?
Back is fit.
Yay! Someone got stuck on back the fridge. Oh, you got hurt?
Yes.
How you got hurt?
You fight me.
Oh, I not fight you. I was opening a fridge and I got hurt.
Yes.
How you got hurt?
May open.
You wanna open it?
Yes.
Say, you can tell me now. I got hurt.
I am hurt. I hurt.
Open.
Open a fridge and Nanny.
Nani, open. Okay. Yum, yum, yum. I think they are in the bedroom. They're in the bedroom.
Do Nanny.
Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, the food. Yeah.
I think they're in the bedroom.
No, not bedroom.
So which place is it?
Kitchen room.
Yeah, it's a kitchen.
Yeah, they outside
And
the
what?
outside the night.
And what they are doing, what they are making, I think they are beating chocolate. What are they doing? Yeah, they are beating a chocolate. Now, what they are beating? Beating a
Toy.
chocolate.
Okay.
Let's open the fridge. What Granny is doing here? Oh, what Granny is doing?
Take the milk.
Taking out the milk. Granny?
Granny take the milk.
From where? From the cupboard?
No.
From where?
Taking milk.
From where? From the cupboard or from the fridge? Or from the cabinet? From where she is taking the milk?
This.
From, what is this? What is this?
This kitchen room.
This is the kitchen room, I know. But this is the fridge or this is the cupboard?
This fridge.
Yeah, the granny is taking out the milk.
The nanny can take the milk. Fridge.
From the fridge, yes. And they are excited to make.
Look.
What happened?
The toys, America, Papa Lily are two.
Baba bring this all-per milk?
Yes.
That was the same.
E-R-S. Two.
All-pers. I think Baba also bring this all-per milk, na? Okay, ये all-per आ रहा होता है. That's why he's told. Now what they are making? What they have made? A cookie. What they have made?
Cookie.
A cookie, and it's yummy cookie.
Yes, it can.
Oh wow! Which place is it?
Out room.
It's an out room, or it's a park, or it's a hospital. Which place is it?
Park.
They have in a park. And who are in the park? A cat, a bunny, and the bunny another friend. They are having, what are they doing? I think they are sitting.
No.
So what are they doing?
Walk.
They are walking, they are having fun, they are running, they are playing. What are they doing? What are they doing, Salah?
Rabbit walking.
The rabbit is walking and having fun. Oh, what is it?
This classroom.
Is a grass or is a mud?
Mud.
Hey, Yagi, it's a mud.
Sir to 2:30 Papa एक चूसी सीप पीकी shirt mud shirt.
The mud will come in the shirt?
Yes.
Oh, what happened? What will come in the shirt?
The mud shirt.
Mud?
Mud shirt.
Mud come in the shirt and mud will make it?
Dirty mud.
Dirty.
Yes, the mommy pig angry.
And the mommy pig will be angry now if the baby piggies will play in the mud. Let's turn it. Are you excited to turn it? Oh, what is happening here? Who is jumping into the mud? Everyone. The crocodile jumping on the mud. The bunny jumping on the mud. The piggy jumping on the mud. Who is jumping on the mud? Who is? Okay, first it's my turn. The baby pig is jumping on the mud. The crocodile is jumping on the mud. And the two bunny friend is jumping on the mud. Now it's your turn. You will tell me.
The biggie jumping on the bed.
Jumping on the bed or jumping on the mud?
And jumping on the mud.
And?
Jumping on the mud.
And? It's not standing. I will make it stand. Okay, it's fallen down. It's okay. Okay, let's turn its foot. Okay, and? Are they enjoying or are they sad? Oh, it's fallen down again and again. And what are they feeling? They are feeling excited, happy, sad.
Happy.
Why they are happy?
They said it's so funny. Piggies are fun. Jumping mud.
Yeah, they are having fun. They are jumping on the mud. The piggy
is jumping on the mud.
and the piggy fun on the mud.
Fun.
The mama will be angry and the daddy will be angry. No. It's a fun time.